Hello to you. I'm Jessie R. Johnson. This is Flat Earth and the heliocentric religion model of the universe, fact or fiction. Helio means sun, sun-centric and sun worship. We'll start with the heliocentric model, its compositions of objects and elements. Number 1, solar system. A set of objects revolving around a central sun, or Earth, Moon, 9 to 10 planets, comets, asteroids and their belts, Van Allen belts, solar system dust, rocks, meteors, etc. We'll go to number 2, stars. Different shapes, sizes, colors, heat differences, made of high compressed plasma in gravitationally compressed fluid form produced by thermonuclear processes. This is along with novas, or exploding stars and their debris, with their distances in light years measured, and the stars are also measured in parallax and redshifts. Number 3, extra solar systems of planets, one or more of them, circling a central sun, also in light years distances. More than 400 supposedly has been found in the heliocentric religion system. Number 4, let's go to galaxy. Singular, galaxy, singular, composed of tens of millions to several trillions of stars, different shapes, sizes, containing millions to billions of extrasolar systems per galaxy, stellar remnants, novas, nebulas, black holes, catastrophe space, dust, gases, etc. These are measured in light years. Number 5, let's go to galaxies, plural. Estimated to have 100, the heliocentric universe is estimated to have 150 billion galaxies, composing the whole universe in different sizes, shapes, heats, gravity, pulls, quasars, interstellar galactic dust, empty space, also measured in light years. Also composing this is dark matter, star-burst galaxies, blazar galaxy, radio galaxy, white holes, etc., black holes, wormholes, dark energy, etc. We'll go to number 6. Big Bang, the Big Bang, big contractions, singularity. The universe in the heliocentric religion started approximately as a range of 15 billion to 25 billion years ago, and is 15 billion to 25 billion light years in expansion at the moment, with a minimum of 150 billion galaxies, and a before the Big Bang is still unanswered. We'll go to number 7. Instruments used to do all of these things. Telescopes. The types of telescope. The first one is invisible. Visible, the ones we can see with our own eyes, that is. Visible light, you have 2 main types. Refractive. And then the second type, reflective. You have radio as well as many other electromagnetic frequency telescopes, as well as the use of parallax and redshifts for these matters. We'll go to number 8, the physics thereof. The heliocentric religion uses chaos theory, relativity, nuclear physics, catastrophe theory, mathematics such as trigonometry, geometry, calculus, etc. Hold on, please. Hold on for just a second. Okay, let's continue. We'll go to number 9. The Herstory and his story of the religion of heliocentrism goes basically like this. The evil elites, not the good elites, but the evil elites of the many countries of Europe started curving maps around 1590 AD to make the earth seem ball-shaped. Now, this was over 400 years ago, and in that over 400 years, the creation of a sun-centered universe instead of an earth-centered universe forcefully began for political, economic, and religious purposes. What you've heard just said now, what you've heard already is the general basis of the heliocentric religion model of a universe, or of our so-called universe. The point in this particular matter is it true? No. Is it factual? No. Then what is the case? The heliocentric religion model is based on several insidious matters. A, power over others' minds politically. To have power over others' minds politically, over the millions and billions their minds. We'll go to B, economically, how to make money from the tens to hundreds of millions of brainwashed and conned humans. We'll go to C, education, how to non-educate but indoctrinate millions into slavery of the mind without them knowing it. We'll go to D, to give the masses of millions and billions a totally false universe to accept. That way they can be conned. We'll go to E, as in Edward. Now, E is the use of the political method of reversal of scientific fact to produce a world fiction, a world lie, or simply a world deception. We'll go to F. Astronomy is false science. In fact, astronomy is not science at all, but a world deception. It is religion, in fact. Now, let us, that means you, me, and all others, let us go to what's real, R-E-A-L, real about our world. Number one, light years don't exist. Everything based on light years don't exist. The math methods of equal distance magnification and trigonometries, angle of elevation removes 90% of astronomy, removes it. Number two, since fixed stars are in fact several thousands, several tens of thousands, to approximately a maximum of 200,000 miles from Earth, then parallax and red shift for stars don't exist. This is based on equal distance magnification and trigonometry's angle of elevation. We'll go to number three. Since energy is conserved, the finite heavens with stars and earth, with the earth at its center, is plus infinity minus 1 years old, or to the point before positive infinity. And the real universe, not the heavens, which includes the heaven, not only the heavens, and the real universe is infinity, its real form, wherein age or ageless cannot be applied. We'll go to number four. Based on the earth is flat, and this is based on topography, basic topography, basic geometry, basic horizon mechanics, basic physics, basic trigonometry, etc. The Earth is flat-surfaced, and it is based on basic arithmetic and basic trigonometry. The Sun, the Moon, Phoenix, and Nemesis, Jupiter, Saturn, Mars, Venus are local, L-O-C-A-L, and the instruments used to tell this are P900 and P1000 telescopic cameras. And these systems, the moon, sun, and so forth, are several thousands of miles altitude above Earth. We'll go to number 6. The sun and the moon are the same size and are electrical disks of unique types, etc. We'll go to number 7. The sun is 1,651.29 miles above. The moon is 1,550 to 1,600 miles above. Polaris, the central North Star, is 6,589 miles above. We'll go to number 8. The Earth is a flat-surfaced 27,000 to 37,000 miles in radius disk, a disk of some type, and has no less than 45 continents. As far as I can tell, more than one sun. And here is a part for those who are spiritually oriented. The Earth is a living being in its own right. We'll go to number 9. The heavens, where we live, has zero planets, but has disk planes, has cold plasma, extreme of extreme, high voltage, non-acoustic cybermatic stars. The Earth is the center of the heavens. The heavens contain approximately, as a general estimate, of about 1 billion to 1.5 billion stars. I want to thank everyone for listening and watching, and please share and subscribe. Share this video and subscribe, and have a fine day.